This Furuno IF-NMEA2K2 converter reliably bridges legacy NMEA0183 instruments with modern NMEA 2000 networks, making mixed-age systems work together smoothly on board. The unit is built with the solid marine-grade construction Furuno is known for, so it stands up well to vibration, humidity, and the general abuse of life at sea. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with basic marine wiring, with clearly labeled connections that make it easier to integrate into an existing backbone without guesswork. Once installed, data such as position, heading, and navigation sentences are passed cleanly between networks, reducing data dropouts and odd behavior on chart plotters and other displays. The compact footprint and light weight make it easy to tuck the converter behind panels or inside crowded helm stations where space is at a premium. Made in Japan and distributed through a dedicated marine electronics channel, it feels like a professional-grade solution rather than a generic adapter box.